Another very key concept for practice design is representative practice. This is probably the most simple concept to understand, but the most difficult to implement. Ultimately, representative practice is what enables skills to be transferred from training into the performance environment. If we take the ecological perspective, we create/improve skills or behaviors by becoming more attuned to affordances within the environment. These affordances are created by a combination of constraints. Therefore, the task and training must be representative of the game for the improved level of attunement to actually be of use. What we need to develop then is environments where all or most of the key information sources that would be available in the game are present for the specific context you are working within. Opponents, goals, sidelines, referees, poor surfaces, and number of players are some simple ones you may point out. But things like facing into the sun, training in wind or rain, time of day, and field positioning are all things of depth that could impact on transfer of skills. While training often revolves around simplifying tasks, it's important to keep the task representative to the game within the specific context. What you can see here is a split screen of a training activity, 1v1 open the gates, and an actual performance environment, Iniesta playing for Barcelona. What we are working on is the ability to dominate space in a 1v1 situation. The task has been simplified to the context that players will find themselves within the game. But for transfer of skill, what we need to set up is representativeness. This is where the players on the outside come in. The outside players are dynamic defenders to block, used as references to players that would block passing lanes or space in the performance environment. I leave you with this. If the aim of practice design is to manipulate constraints to afford opportunities for action, which in turn improves players' ability to attune to environments, the representativeness of the practice is key for transfer. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.